This question and answer first appeared in the Question Box, which was a column in the diocesan newspaper, the Wichita Diocese, on July 1st, 1933. The question is it wrong to have pet animals? And the answer by the priest is, we have the duty to care for the animals created by God for our service. There are, however, people who make an idol of some pet animal, even preferring it to their fellow man. This is wrong. It is a violation of the appointed order of nature. Certainly those people sin, and may sin gravely, who prefer dumb animals to the immortal souls of children. But the original question, is it wrong to have pet animals? St. John of the Cross would tell us that any attachment that gets in the way of our relationship with God is a problem to our spirituality. It's especially problematic if we spend more time with the attachment, in this case it may be a pet, than with God. Now, in this case, we're not talking about animals that perform a service such as guard dogs, hunting dogs, or working dogs. But what do you think? Is it wrong to have a pet animal? This is Open Mic Night, so please post your thoughts down below.